ECOHEADS bring you unique, innovative and environmentally friendly products designed for professionals.
The Eco Shower Head has an environmentally friendly design that doubles water pressure and helps to save water, energy, time and money.
The 3-stage filtering system allows you the freedom to adjust your water pressure. Powerful water stream creates a relaxing head massage, while a smoother end result is created through a black tourmaline system that removes chlorine, sediment, rust, sand, and generates negative ions. Anyone can install the Eco Shower Head. It's quick and easy. ECOHEADS, unique products that make a difference.